Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're going to be diving into the world of courses for ClickFunnels 2.0. Now, specifically, we're going to be going in and showing you how to set up a redirect or a upgrade redirect for your modules and submodules within your courses. Now, this is useful if you have like a paywall or you want a paywall, so people can't necessarily access all the content in a course and you want like different layers where people have to upgrade as they go along. All right, now the first thing you want to do is head directly to the funnel that you want someone to actually purchase your product from in order to gain access to that new area. In this case, we'll use, let's use this one as an example, right? I don't know if there's actually a product in here or a order form, but either way, should be fine. Yeah, there's not. Okay, that's totally fine. Let's pretend that this guy right here is an actual page that we're selling a product on. All we have to do is hover over the step itself. From there, click on it on the little icon that appears there, and it will copy the URL to your clipboard. All right, now with that done, we should have the correct page that they will need in order to actually make the transaction for that product. All right, with that copied, let's go and exit the funnel, and we're gonna head to courses in that left-hand navigation. From here, let's go ahead and click on the course directly and let that load. Okay, awesome. Once that loads, we're gonna go ahead and set this up for a module. So in order for them to actually access this module one, I wanna make sure that they purchase the right product to do so. Okay, so we'll go over here, click on the three dots for module number one, and from that drop-down, select edit module. All right, once that loads, you should see the settings for that module right there, and just scroll down until we see the option for upgrade offer. All right, once you see that, that's exactly where we need to be. Click in the little input field there and paste in the URL that you have copied. Okay, and that's it. We are good to go. From here, just click on update module, and at this point, we have successfully set up a upgrade URL redirect, which basically just means that if someone clicks on the module right here or anything within it, it's not going to give them access. It's actually going to redirect them to the location where they can purchase the right product to do so, all right, or to access that area. Now, the same process applies for submodules as well, right? So if you want to set up some sort of paywall for something like this, click on the three dots for a submodule or sub-submodule and click on edit module. From there, just scroll down until you see the upgrade offer option right here, or our setting rather, and paste an URL that you'd like someone to have to visit and purchase the product from in order to gain access. All right, same thing again, sub-module, same exact settings. Boom, just like that. All right, and that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, awesome. If it wasn't, make sure to let us know down below what is holding you back, what questions do you have, and we'll be sure to point you in the right direction, all right? Otherwise, if you haven't already, make sure to go subscribe to our weekly newsletter where we go over different tips, tricks, and guides around ClickFunnels as a whole, both classic and 2.0. Have a fantastic rest of your day, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.